All right, y'all. Finally took a loss today. And honestly, it's one of those trades where I kind of knew we were going to take a loss. Almost a full loss, not quite. I got in here off of this, which I wasn't confident about because it's a big win. And then I had my stop. My target was like right here, like slightly above liquidity. Because I was hoping on the 15-minute we were going to get a bigger wick up. And I should either have my TP at liquidity. It moved on, even though it went a little higher. I was like 30 ticks short. Like my stop loss was like right here. Or waited for the liquidity sweep reversal to the downside, which we got a lovely IFVG on the 1 minute. See, we got this IFVG. I was like, come on, push, push, push. We pushed, and then once we closed here, I moved my stop to this low instead of it was down here. So we went up to this low, as you can see, taken out, and then I could have got in on this, even though it's still kind of holding at these EMAs. So that's why I thought about moving my stop down here, but it wasn't it. I should just wait to 10 a.m. news, but since I'm going on a road trip today, I was trying to rush, and like I said, it was literally so close. It was like right here was my TP. So it is what it is. I'll make it back tomorrow. I was due for a loss, and then just if you don't like the trade, don't take it. Or like I said, hold it here. Below the fair value gap, which is a bigger loss than you get, but we'll see. But again, it's part of the challenge. So $33,000 loss today. So it hurts, but it's part of the game. It's part of the game. So I'll see y'all with our update tomorrow, and I'll be on this road today. Sucks to suck.